Did you know the average American driver spends over $1,200 a year just on vehicle maintenance and unexpected repairs? But here is the shocking part. Many of those expensive shop visits are for simple problems that can be fixed for less than $5 using common household items you probably already have in your kitchen. In this video, I am about to walk you through 13 genius car hacks that nearly 99% of drivers have never heard of. And make sure you stay until the end, because hack number 3 alone could save you $400 in repairs. Let's get started. Hack number 13. Toothpaste to remove scratches. One of the most famous scratch removal tricks involves ordinary white toothpaste. Most non-gel toothpastes contain very mild abrasives designed to polish stains from teeth. Those same abrasives can sometimes smooth out tiny imperfections in your car's clear coat. This works especially well on light scratches that have not penetrated the paint layer. Start by washing and drying the scratched area thoroughly, because dirt particles can create even more scratches during the process. Apply a small amount of white toothpaste to a microfiber cloth and gently rub the scratch using circular motions. Continue polishing for about 30 to 60 seconds while applying light pressure. Then wipe the area clean with a damp cloth and inspect the results. Many drivers are surprised to see the scratch become noticeably less visible after just one application. If necessary, repeat the process several times. The reason this works is that the toothpaste gradually levels the edges of the scratch and makes it harder for light to reflect off the damaged area. Hack number 12. Coffee filters for interior cleaning. Modern vehicles contain large infotainment screens that can cost thousands of dollars to replace. Unfortunately, many people clean them using paper towels, which can leave microscopic scratches over time. But here, coffee filters work as a lifesaver. Coffee filters are designed to be lint-free and extremely soft, making them perfect for delicate surfaces. Take a clean coffee filter and gently wipe the screen using light pressure. For fingerprints, slightly dampen the filter with distilled water. Wipe in straight lines rather than circles. Continue until the fingerprints disappear. Use a dry coffee filter to remove any remaining moisture. Many electronics technicians use materials with similar properties when cleaning sensitive displays. This simple household item helps maintain a factory-new appearance and protects expensive interior components. It is one of the easiest and cheapest detailing tricks you'll ever use. Hack number 11. Rubbing alcohol to remove tree sap and tar. If you have ever tried to scrub dried, hardened tree sap or road tar off your car using standard automotive soap, you already know it is an absolute nightmare that usually ends up scratching your paint. That's because sap contains organic resins and terpenes that are completely waterproof but highly soluble in alcohol. To perform this trick safely, don't scrub at all. Instead, take a standard cotton makeup round or a plush microfiber towel and soak it completely in 71% or 91% rubbing alcohol. Press the soaked pad directly flat onto the hardened sap blob and apply light finger pressure, holding it perfectly still for exactly 1 minute to let the alcohol liquefy the chemical bonds. After 1 minute, gently lift the pad upward and wipe outward in a single direction to pull the dissolved sap cleanly away from the clear coat without spreading it around. Because the alcohol completely strips away all protective paint protection, you must immediately follow up by applying a quick layer of spray wax or paint sealant over that exact spot to keep the clear coat guarded. Hack number 9. White vinegar to clean windshield. Poor visibility contributes to thousands of accidents every year, especially during nighttime driving. What most drivers don't know is that white vinegar is an excellent glass cleaner that removes mineral deposits, road film, and stubborn haze. It contains acetic acid, which is highly effective at breaking down these contaminants. Commercial automotive glass cleaners often contain ingredients that work similarly to vinegar's acetic acid. So, mix equal parts white vinegar and distilled water in a spray bottle and apply it to the windshield. Allow it to sit for about 1 minute before wiping with a microfiber towel. The vinegar dissolves stubborn deposits that ordinary glass cleaners sometimes leave behind. This method is particularly useful for removing hard water spots and oily films that develop over time. Drivers are often shocked by how much clearer their windshield becomes after just one application. Considering that a bottle of vinegar costs only a few dollars, it's one of the cheapest safety upgrades you can make. Hack number 8. Hair conditioner for faded plastic trim. Automotive experts estimate that UV radiation causes billions of dollars in cosmetic vehicle damage every year. One of the first areas to show aging is exterior plastic trim. Black trim gradually turns gray because sunlight breaks down the oils and pigments within the material. Surprisingly, many hair conditioners contain lanolin and conditioning agents that can temporarily restore moisture and appearance. To restore your car's faded trim, wash the trim first to remove dirt and dust. Dry the surface completely. Place a small amount of hair conditioner onto a microfiber towel and gently rub it into the faded trim. Work in small sections to ensure even coverage. Allow the conditioner to soak into the plastic for 3 to 5 minutes. Afterward, wipe away any excess product using a clean cloth. The conditioning agents help restore a darker appearance and add temporary moisture to the material. The improvement is often visible immediately. Hack number 7. Toothpaste for headlight restoration. Studies have found that heavily oxidized headlights can reduce nighttime visibility by up to 70%, dramatically increasing stopping distances. Many people immediately purchase expensive restoration kits, but standard white toothpaste contains mild abrasives that can temporarily remove surface oxidation and restore headlight like new again. Begin by washing the headlights with soap and water to remove dirt and debris. Dry them thoroughly with a microfiber towel. Now, apply a generous amount of plain white toothpaste directly onto the lens. Using a microfiber cloth, rub the toothpaste into the headlight using small, circular motions. Continue polishing for about 5 minutes per headlight. Once finished, rinse thoroughly and inspect the results. For even better results, repeat the process a second time. Finally, apply a coat of wax to help protect the lens from future oxidation. Many drivers notice brighter headlights immediately after completing this procedure. Hack number 6. Soap to silence squeaky wiper blades. A surprising number of drivers don't realize that squeaky or streaky wipers are not always worn-out wipers. In fact, studies from automotive service centers suggest that nearly 30 to 40% of wiper replacements are unnecessary, and the real issue is dirt, road grime, and rubber dryness. When wiper blades lose smooth movement across the glass, they start skipping, chattering, and leaving streaks that reduce visibility during rain. Instead of immediately buying new blades, a simple bar of soap can restore smooth performance in seconds. First, lift your wiper blades away from the windshield so they are fully exposed. Take a clean, dry bar of mild soap. Gently rub the soap along the entire rubber edge of the wiper blade and make sure you coat both sides evenly. The soap acts as a temporary lubricant and conditioning agent, reducing friction between the rubber and glass. Then wipe off any excess soap with a damp cloth to avoid residue buildup. Finally, spray windshield washer fluid and test the wipers. Most drivers immediately notice smoother, quieter operation and significantly reduced streaking. Hack number 5. Ketchup to polish rim. It might sound strange, but ketchup contains acetic acid from vinegar and natural tomato acids, which can help break down light oxidation on metal surfaces. Alloy wheels often lose their shine due to brake dust buildup, road salt, and oxidation. Instead of expensive wheel cleaners, ketchup can be used as a temporary polishing agent for dull rims. Start by rinsing the wheels with water to remove loose dirt and brake dust. Take a small amount of ketchup and apply it directly onto the affected areas of the rim. Using a sponge or microfiber cloth, spread the ketchup evenly across the surface. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes so the acids can begin breaking down oxidation and grime. Don't let it dry completely. After that, scrub gently in circular motions to lift dirt from the metal surface. Rinse thoroughly with clean water until all ketchup is removed. Finally, dry the rim with a microfiber towel to reveal a cleaner, slightly shinier finish. Hack number 3. Dryer sheets for bug removal. Insects may seem harmless, but dried bug residue contains acids that can slowly damage automotive paint if left untreated. During summer months, highway drivers can accumulate hundreds of bug impacts on the front bumper and grille. Scrubbing aggressively to remove them often creates swirl marks and scratches. But here, a damp dryer sheet offers a surprisingly effective solution. Take a standard dryer sheet and soak it in water for about 30 seconds. Wet the affected area of the vehicle as well. Gently rub the damp dryer sheet across bug-covered surfaces using light pressure. You will notice the bugs begin loosening almost immediately. Continue wiping until the residue disappears. Afterward, wash and rinse the area thoroughly. Many professional detailers use similar chemical softening techniques before cleaning bug splatter. This hack saves time, reduces paint damage risk, and makes cleaning significantly easier after long road trips. Hack number 2. Olive oil to restore faded trim. Sun exposure is one of the biggest causes of trim fading, and automotive studies show that UV rays can degrade exterior plastics within just a few years in hot climates. As plastic dries out, it loses its deep black color and starts turning gray and chalky. Instead of investing on costly trim restoration products, use olive oil. Olive oil helps to restore faded trims by adding temporary moisture and enhancing the appearance of the surface. Dry the surface completely, and then pour a very small amount of olive oil onto a microfiber cloth. Now gently rub it into the faded trim using smooth, even strokes. Make sure to cover all areas, especially corners and textured surfaces. Allow it to absorb for about 5 to 10 minutes so the oil can settle into the material. Then, use a clean cloth to buff away any excess oil to avoid a greasy finish. The trim will immediately appear darker and more refreshed. This trick is especially useful before car shows, photo shoots, or selling your vehicle. Hack number 1. Clear nail polish for paint chip protection. Automotive rust repair is one of the most expensive bodywork procedures. A small rust repair can easily exceed $500, while major rust damage can cost thousands. The problem often starts with a tiny stone chip that exposes bare metal. But here, clear nail polish acts as a lifesaver. It can serve as a temporary protective barrier until proper touch-up paint is applied. Take clear nail polish and carefully apply a thin layer directly over the exposed metal. Allow it to dry completely before applying a second coat if necessary. The clear coating seals the metal from moisture and oxygen. While it's not a permanent repair, but it can prevent rust from forming until proper touch-up paint becomes available. This is particularly useful for highway drivers who frequently encounter rock chips. That's all for this video. Which one of these genius tricks are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you learned something new today, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.